Let's take it back to year 2000 with this Chevy Camaro convertible. What she has under the hood is what started LS Swap the World. It's the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in driver quality condition. Should be perfect for your son or daughter's first car. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in overall good shape. She has the typical signs of being a driver. Few spots on the seats. But nothing that's too major. She'll clean up nice. Back seats. Convertible top functions as you should. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. And there she is, the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LS1 engine. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Let's start her up. Mileage reached a little over 90,000. Make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Just running like a top, guys. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.